How to unblock Vinted banned account. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how you can unblock Vinted banned account. So how can you unblock Vinted banned account? It is very simple. Just follow the procedures that I'll be showing you in this tutorial. The first step is to log in into your Vinted account. All right, or since the account has been banned, the main step is to reach out to the Vinted support to their official channels. So how do you do this? Open your web browser. In the new tab, just type out Vinted support contact or center. Click, and then you can see the help center. So you click on the help center option, and then once you're on the help centers page, you will be asked where you live. Just go ahead and select an answer, and then this is so that your account or your questions can be streamlined to a particular option. So after selecting it, you'll be taken to the help centers page. The reason why I came back to my account is because my account hasn't been banned, but for you, you'll be taken to the help centers page directly. So let's go back to the help center, and then once you're on the help centers page and you are brought to the home page, here you can just go ahead and ask your question, or which is my account and settings, and then ask your questions. And then once your question has been asked, you'll be given a solution, and then you'll be told on what to do. So this is how you can unblock Vinted banned account. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.